Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. If we can't catch a trade today. Good morning, Bill, Medman, Alex, Max, Trade. How we doing, everyone? Good morning. Good morning. How'd everyone end up doing yesterday after I got off? I still didn't take another trade. I didn't see nothing I liked. Um, after even after a live, I haven't seen much here pre-market I like either. So maybe the good move will happen during the New York today. I appreciate you all for showing up. I know we not always easy to show up when we have a couple of tough weeks in a row, but this week is looking much better. So, good morning, Ashley. Not very well, almost blown account. Sorry to hear that. See if we try some light size, maybe bring it back from the dead. Is that possible? Is the account too far gone? Your trading account? I'm gonna give away some Tradeify evals today for those that like Tradeify. Stick around to the end. I'm gonna give quite a few away. It's the 50K select is what they gave me. So if you like the 50K select, that is. You like Tradeify, Nicole? Whoa, what was that? The candle opened and it instantly went straight down. Did you see that? Well, it didn't instantly open, but it was just froze for a second, ripped down. Charger man, how are you? Good morning. I'm thinking I'm gonna reach a payout. I mean, don't. I'm not gonna jinx it. I know how it goes, but I've got the 50K. Let me rephrase that. I'm optimistic about reaching a payout. I went. I was talking about it yesterday, but I took the 50K Lightning funded, so I skipped the evals with Tradeify. There's some weird price action right here. I wonder what's going on. Is there news dropping currently? It's almost like there's a no way this demand's going to confirm right before market open. Hate when it happens because you can't take it. No, there's something weird going on here because TradingView is having trouble keeping up with it with the data. I think it's news related. Again, I'm doing a giveaway at the end of the live today. But share the live. We're going to try to make a bag trading. I'm going to be trading on my personal, and I will be trading on my 50K Lightning funded through TradeFi. So that's what I'm trading on today. There's something up here. Be careful with this zone. What is this thing? See if it'll let me share my screen now. What's up, Team Bull? Jaden, can you let me share my screen?
Oh yeah. Oh, here it is. It's hiding. At J Dunn, let's run an options week.
Gold is dumping too. Interesting. Emma, where was you yesterday? Good morning. I didn't see you. Hope all is well. I didn't see you come in there. I'm trying to figure out a way. I have this idea. I want to talk about it real quick before the market opens. And you all tell me if you just hate it, whatever. I don't. It's not going to hurt my feelings. But I'm trying to figure out a way to like. I can't trade every session, right? And a lot of people want me to stream every session. But what if I found a way to like give you all my the levels I would watch during that session, like this some kind of something, you know? That way, if you do feel the need to trade it, you have something to watch. I don't know. Just a thought. A lot of people request me trading Asia, and I just don't know if I have it in me to stay up that late. So definitely a weird candle there, huh? Like a, yeah, Kenny, like a newsletter type something. We could just do like swing trades and like day trades for the Asia, day trades, for the New York. Even if you trade, just make it really valuable somehow. I don't. Just a thought. Yeah, Grizzbot. What am I watching? Um, well, kind of chopped here. Pre-market, we could watch the Asia low for a possible reject. But I feel like the higher probability would be up here around this previous day point of control, 29,000 previous day point of control area. We've got a very small demand here. Weird. It makes them. Can you all see the charts well? How's that? I need to adjust anything. You had to help your dad. What was going on? At the garden? What was it? Just you don't have to talk about it if you don't want to. Am I just catching up? Can we share the live? Seems like a. I need to share the live. I'm telling you all to share the live. I haven't shared it myself. My tomato plants and stuff are growing like crazy for those that garden. I was out there this morning. Oh, You wish you had a green thumb every time you try to garden. It's just I feel like growing a garden is like cooking good food. You have to have a little love with it, a little finesse. It takes patience. You really can't rush it. I just hope my tree survives that I planted. The thing was heavy, and it broke loose a little bit. The dirt, when I was trying to lift it into the hole I had to dig. I think it'll be okay, but we'll see. Good morning, Naya. How'd that turn out, man? I bet it was good. Well, the market's about to open. Let's do this, Team Bull. The market's open. Good luck today.
You got anything on watch off the open?
I'm gonna watch up. I was gonna initially watch this Asia low, but I'm gonna watch previous day point of control. The 29,000 to 28,980 area. We'll see.
Whoops.
I know you don't watch shows often, Jadon, but I've been watching the Punisher. That is a crazy show.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You recommend?
I mean it's good if you like that sort of thing. If you like Reacher, stuff like that.
Oh yeah. Great show. I would definitely like it then, for sure.
I think Punisher is going to be in an upcoming Marvel movie, so I gotta catch up.
All right. The Punisher.
I think he's going to be in the new Spider-Man, if I'm not mistaken.
Punisher must have been visiting us that price action the last 2 weeks.
Yeah, for real.
Got a little better yesterday, but all right, let's get it, y'all.
Do it. Wow, can't keep the candle on my chart.
We got the Nasdaq and ES diverging too.
Look at this candle. We're back to the massive open.
First opening candle, 100 points.
Right here's my reject area. I'm hesitant to take it off the opening 5-minute candle though. It touched it literally exactly. I wanted to go short at 980. I guess I better log into my broker.
Let's get it, everybody. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it.
Where's everyone checking in from this morning? From Tennessee, myself. Checking in from Tennessee.
Coming in. Colorado up in here.
Nick, I do not. I do not have them.
Idaho Bro's got potatoes. H-Town, Oklahoma. Oh, so you're a Thunder fan. I'm sorry. Real sorry after last night. Actually, I'm not sorry. I was very happy to see that. I hope they do, Marquise. Them or the Knicks. I wouldn't mind seeing the Knicks win either, honestly. I'm low key a Knicks fan right now. I've jumped on the Knicks bandwagon for the rest of the playoffs. I would love to see the Knicks take one home in Madison Square Garden.
Reject gonna hit. I just couldn't take it off the opening 5 minute. It did hit. Maybe we'll get a strong trend entry today. Higher pullback on.
Yeah, it hasn't been happening a ton, but I'm down for the Knicks. Going clutch like Brunson today, catching a dub. We haven't had a whole lot of true trend days in a while. We haven't. It's been like
That was such a weird comment in TikTok. You see that, man? Weirdo. Weird people. I'll text you it. Welcome in, everyone. Make sure you hit the follow. Go live every single morning. You can share the live, and I'm doing a giveaway at the end of it today. Some Tradify evals. Good morning, Shazo. How are you doing? We got plenty of demand above, though. Or, sorry, supply above. It's going to be tough. I mean, I say it'll be tough to get through. It should be tough to get through. I'm doing good this morning, man. Had a nice workout. Wasn't feeling good yesterday, but I feel good today. Much better. Any questions? Let's make this educational instead of just listening to me breathe and sip on my coffee. I'm gonna attempt to trade a wait. No, I think I'll still trade NQ. I'll probably go with like one NQ on my funded though. One NQ on the funded. Yeah, but you like how I sip the coffee? It's understandable. What is that called? The ASMR? Is that right? I just can't get into the ASMR stuff. I don't know. I mean, the dog, like the dog's eating. I mean, that's okay, whatever. But I never did like people smacking, slurping. I don't know. People get on here, never been on this live. Like, what are they discussing? Bunch of weirdos. All right, we got 5 more minutes to the range is in. Yeah, the body wash. Oh, every time you hear my mouse click, you think I took a trade. Most of the time, I'm just working on something on my laptop when you hear the mouse clicking. I got two different. I guess it would. Wait a second. What's the plural version for a mouse? But not like a animal, but like your actual. I don't know. I have two of them. You know what I'm saying? It wouldn't be called mice, would it? Yeah, I have two mice on my desk. No, I'm really not for sure what you would call it. I believe two clickers. How's that? Two mouses. I guess you could make it plural at that point. I don't know. Sherwood said they're called a. Oh, Medman and Sherwood said they're called a moose. I'm gonna try to get my contractor's license. That's what I'm gonna start working on. We was talking about it yesterday. There's just so many benefits of having it. You know, if you own land, you can actually build a house, sub out all the work, and rent it. You can sub other work, or you can bid on other work, sub it all out, and just profit. You know, if you're good at that sort of thing. That's my current goal outside of trading. What about you all? Do you have any like thing you're working on? Any businesses you're building? You're looking for loans at Asia Low? We got 2 minutes left on this. Real estate TFS? You been buying anymore? What's your moves been lately? HVAC, Shazo, nice. What are you doing, like a company? And Jessica, I'm not sure what that is. I'm gonna start trying to buy in Tennessee first with the businesses, so I can get something local, get a feel for it before I start buying out of state. Unless it's just a crazy good deal, something I can manage online. Okay, cool. Design clothes arts, pet line, nice. Oh, these people don't realize it, but our lives, we have so many connections right in here together. So many intelligent people. Good for networking. 15-minute range is in. Well, Jadon, what are we thinking?
Not quite sure yet.
Asia Low looks tempting for a bounce, but massive red candle, but lower volume. So
All right. All right. All right. ES is respecting that 8 a.m. orb, the 8 to 8:15. I don't really use it much, but that 8 to 8:15 test up, move down. It works a lot better on ES than it does on the Nasdaq. I just don't really trade ES much. All right, guys, I'll be back in 2 seconds.
all right, we shall be here.
All right, we're back.
Nice job, Danny, on your
Now we
trade.
got a big question to answer here, folks, while we're waiting for this trade to play out. Yes.
Should we attempt the orb today, everyone? EFS is right. It's a hit the last few times. Do we attempt it again, or do we just stay away from it a little while longer? It's nothing personal. I mute everyone. I just don't like to be distracted. Easily distracted. Come on, give Danny high day. Straight up for him. It's a mega trade for you, Danny. There you go. Share the live, everyone. I'll ask. You don't have to don't send any money, don't do anything. Just share the live for me. I'm okay with the OGs just being here, but I don't like when I don't see growth, you know? I'm not seeing growth. I wonder if we're going to be able to clear this point of control, actually get a close above it. We have pending home sales at 10. What was the setup, me? 100-point candles to start the day, huh? Danny, what was the delta on that previous candle? So it was a strong positive. Yeah, you took some longs at 9:05. Let me look. I mean, at least it come back in your favorite, but I wouldn't make it a habit out of holding for hope, you know? One of the worst things. It will get you every time, nearly. When it doesn't get you, it builds false hope, you know? Oh, yawn, 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 yawn.
Tough as nails.
Who's tough as nails?
Great great grandma. On my dad's side of the family, I have a great grandma or whatever that is. It's like 103, 102 or something. I don't know. Super old. Tough as nails.
Oh yeah, grew up in the Great Depression. World War II. Trying to think what else she probably lived through.
Oh, no trades for me yet. You see anything you like?
Not yet. I was gonna take the Asia low bounce, but I did not.
I don't even see anything I like with individuals right now. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. What
Liv,
about VWAP?
Liv, you're about to have some energy.
5 minute.
You already got some energy.
The S&P hasn't warp setup going, but it was significantly lower volume. Lowest 5 minute candle all day. It's tough to participate in. It's tough to participate in. You guys are definitely going to want to stick around until the end today. I'm giving another 150K trade up.
Get tired of all that, you know? I hate advertising anything. I don't like hearing anyone else advertise either. What's the giveaway today? I have a ton of evals to give away. They sent me the most they've ever sent me. I guess I talked to the right person. The 50K, it's going to be 50K select Tradify. Nice. You're buying some take profit accounts using code Grizzly. I appreciate that. What's the fastest I've drove my Cobra? I don't know. I'm not going to incriminate myself on this live. Confess. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Still in this range. Money, mine, easy. I'm doing the giveaway at the end. I have to do it that way. Or I get distracted. Yep, data dropping 8 seconds. 7, 6. We have grown used to this chop for the first 30 minutes or so. So it's pretty close, Ryan. Any questions? Let's keep the conversation going. It's been solid this morning. Gonna watch this area here for a possible bounce. Everything popping. I hit a push day this morning. I didn't hit one yesterday. What about you all? What workout are you hitting today? While we wait on a legit setup. Is it rest day for you, Alexander? Definitely need it. Let the body, let the muscles heal, right? Robert, you hitting push day as well? Soccer for cardio? No. Robert, you had a pull day yesterday? I mean, push day is easily my favorite. Easily. I mean, I like heavy lifts as well, like the hex bar lifts and stuff. But it'd be second. Chest day is gonna be first for sure. Push day. You're gonna have to teach me the how to play that, Danny. Pickleball. You can never get me out of my house. I'm somewhat of a. Only time I leave is, you know, do something with the family or going on a hike, working out. Nice, Laura. How you feeling today? Sore? I've been trying to get Medman to move to Tennessee for the last 5 years, so gave up. I'm gonna have to find some local people to I guess learn to play pickleball. Whatever I do. Liv, you're not in Tennessee, right? Are you? He said, "Come on up." I thought you meant he was like in the same. You need to get a walking pad, not getting enough steps. I stand every morning while I trade with you all. I don't sit at my desk any at all anymore. Just not good for my lower back. It's tight, you know. Oh, you're in Nashville. That's right. That's right. You like the 100K evals, Terry? I don't like them, especially the certified ones. Some people like them. I do not. The orb could be in play, but I just don't want to take it here. I know the orb has been working, but I don't know. Let's see what Jadon has to say. I'd be open to it since we said we would, but I think there's a chance we could bounce hard in this area. Well, is the orb gonna confirm?
Maybe. Either way, I'm happy that we're taking out pre-market low in this 15-minute low. So now I'd like to see us have higher volume. And at this point, we can watch for a retracement. So if we close this down here and get higher volume, we still have a few minutes left in this candle. I'd like to see us come retest up into here, try shorts here, stops above this candle high. Depending on, let's see, 862.
Jesus,
a lot of risk there.
A lot of risk.
I still might try it though. I still might try it with micros, emergency stop at the top.
Looks like we may have the volume. It doesn't
Yeah,
wick back up here. It could wick right back up above this pre-market low. So you're looking like an 850 entry if you try it?
Yeah, probably. I fear that we're gonna, if we get more push to the downside, we're gonna reject before that. But that's just insane amount of risk. We're gonna get the volume. Let's see what they give us next, guys. So we got the confirmation to the downside. I am gonna watch for a retest back up into this 15-minute low and this 50% retracement.
Volume's here. It doesn't do the thing where it's like half of the body's a wick or half of the candle's wick, you know? 8 seconds. If we do try the orb today and we get 850 area, would have to be the entry. Your stop would be 75 points worth of risk.
Yep.
So
I'm gonna watch for this retest back up. I will likely try this. There's a lot of risk on the candle. So basically at that point, here's what I have to look like. Is if we get the entry up here, I'll put my worst case stops up here, about 70 points of risk. That's more than I'd like. And basically, to even have 1R, you'd have to have a push to low a day, and ideally, I'd like to see like a push down to.
I can't try this, everyone. I know it's a legit setup, but even 75 points is just too much risk for me. Even it don't matter how light I would go. So I can't take that short. This market is not something I'm willing to risk 75 points with, you know. Share the live, please. I go live every single morning. Real quick, we're waiting on the setup. If you want to get funded, you don't want to risk your own capital, you want to day trade with us, futures, or maybe you just prefer funded accounts, go to grizzlytrades.com. Take Profit's having a really good sale right now. You can get a 50K eval for 85. I'm currently trading with Tradeify, Lightning funded, the 50K. You skip the evals with them. If you're interested in that, click on Tradeify. Use code Grizzly for the discount. Any questions? We got time. Don't feel like we have to force any trades here. There's going to be plenty more setups. I think there'll be more today, but even if there's not, we're going to have plenty more trades this week. You have to stay locked in. I know I don't say it as much as I used to, but we got to continue the discipline building, even in tough markets. Spartan, I would like to be at that level, where I could trade that, but I don't know of anyone that does that really trades. Do you? Yeah, for real. Everyone can still hear me, right? We're good to go if something confirms. I would. I know shorts. The orb has confirmed for a possible short entry. I would still be open to a reversal here. We could have a high volume green candle close back above this previous day low. I would definitely be open to a long. This let's see here. This is gonna have more volume. It's gonna be close, even at least close to it at least. Talk to Team Bull.
So, I mean, it's frustrating for sure when it doesn't give the full retest, but just how it goes sometimes.
I would still be open to a short, like at 828, 885 around the Asia low. If we push up that far, I'm going to watch that area. A lot of negative delta here. Could see a nice move down. Any plans today, Jadon, after trading? Any steak or anything?
Nope, just getting caught up from being gone for so long.
Yeah.
And the steaks on the plans every day.
Yeah. So,
Steaks on the agenda every day. This ES orb went bananas. I wanted to see a bit higher 50% retracement. Also in the pre-market low too. We just about got there. If you're looking at my ES chart here on screen share.
appreciate everyone that purchased the Tradify accounts. Oh, messed it up. My bad. Well, what are we thinking here? Let's discuss it. We're making the move down. Did not give an entry for this as far as risk to reward goes. We keep getting a divergence. Distracting me though. Where's the market going to pull back to before continuing on? Is the question. Have to find that on the higher time frame, I would say. Everyone staying disciplined. No boredom trading. Boredom trading. You get bored, let's talk. All I'm doing. Boredom trading is a real thing. I assure you. Good morning, Mark. How you doing? Nice. Oh, you Passed the eval. Nice. The giveaway eval. Awesome. People literally reach payouts from the free evals I give away on here. I've had multiple people say it. So it is possible to create money with a free eval I give. Create a payout, you know. Charge my laptop. It's getting a little. I don't even know where my charger went. Still here. Put my laptop on charge. No, I haven't taken a short. This candle confirmed the orb shorts, but we didn't retrace enough on this candle for a possible entry. And we decided as a group that it was just too much risk regardless. We was considering an Asia low short. Still would consider that if we pushed up. Getting quite a ways off now. It's been a tough market to read, but this week is looking much better, I can say. I've only caught one trade so far this week, but it's making sense to me. Even the chop yesterday, it was a Monday, and it chopped lat the Monday before, so at least that was consistent. It's awesome, Basil. Have a good day, okay? We still have this demand here. Don't forget about it. Grizzology created this. It's not a very big zone. What is it? 40 points, 38 points, close. Definitely worth a watch, though. Come on. Give us the candle we've been waiting on. Nothing would make me happier than seeing us a high volume reversal candle. Play it up to Asia low, then look for shorts. Don't think this is going to be the candle we're looking for. Do we have any Fed speakers, anything today? You got to head out? All right, we'll be coming back tomorrow, right? I'm going to be around for a while. Trying my best to make some money. Trying my best. This candle had another minute. It might have done it, but Mark, they speak at 6, so we're good there at least. It looks like a reversal. It just didn't have enough volume to confirm. 660. How you been, Luke? Sorry to hear that, man. Glad you're back. Oh, it had negative delta. That makes sense, Danny. You want to have any new ideas for the next Grizzology update? Any Grizzology subscribers? Any recommendations? Try to go with what I get the requested the most for. Mason, I've tried to. I'm not saying it couldn't be done. It's just so hard to get it accurate the way you have to get your data through TradingView. It's hard to get it spot on, and I don't want. I haven't figured a way to do to make it exact yet with the script. Yeah, Beck, I still need to do that. I forgot that one. That was a few people asked for it. But Prince Puri Alexander. Maybe Mason, I might be able to do it like like color code for like strong delta, positive or negative. I might be able to do something like that. I'll have to see. It gets complicated when you get into coding that. I have to have developers help me with it. Stacy, where is he speaking at? Do you know what it's about? All right, Team Bull, nothing yet. Just waiting on the entry. Just not giving us a trade yet.
Try those ES longs.
You tried some?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, I did not hear you.
Oh no. I know. I just figured. I initially came on and I realized my mic was muted, and then I came back and said I like 60 to 63. I still like the longs with stops below 56. So if you guys took that with me, that's where stops have to be. I'd like to see us go above 70.
Nice. Hopefully, you break the ES curse for us.
Yeah, I was like, listen, if I lose, it's because it's ES.
Yeah.
Blame ES. But you didn't hear the initial one because I realized I was muted, but came on after and said, oh shit, was muted. Like the sensor down here. Your stops, the risk is to 56. My initial price target, my first price target was at 70. We touched that initially, so I'd like to see us build above the 70.
Oh yeah, we've got this lower time frame supply building or demand building here on
Yep.
NQ as well.
This is the first trim spot, everybody. We took that down there. This is 1-to-1 up here. This is 1-to-1 up here. I'd like to see us keep pushing up. But this is the 1-to-1 up here at 70.
Nice. I hate when I do that as well. Like you start to get in a trade and you forget to unmute something. You know, one of the whatever it is. That everyone doesn't get the trade. It's the worst. At the White House. Thank you. Still looking for shorts, everyone, when we get up there. I like shorts better than I do anything as of right now. We just have to push up a little higher, which I'm not sure if we will, because the negative delta has just been impressive today. But the lower time frame strategy, we could justify trying longs, but our stop would have to be here. And that's a lot of risk. So I don't know how we're going to get around the risk with all these massive candles. It's just getting worse and worse. I'd have, if I was going to try it, it'd probably have to be closer to the Asia low. We haven't tested the Asia low from underneath, at least below, since the market's open. So maybe we get up there, Robert. We'll see. Be right back, everyone. I'm just going to leave it unmuted. So I'm just going to step in my kitchen for a second. If you have any questions, please drop them in chat. All right, I am back. I'm back. The reason I'm not interested in the previous day low retest, we already retested on this Kindle here. Like I said, I'd be more interested in this area for a short. Do not forget about the giveaway, everyone. At the end of the live today, I'm giving away some evals. Please remind me once we get done trading. Not before. I'm not giving any away before we're done, though. All right, push up for us to our possible reject. Nope, didn't mean to do that. Gotta say, I like TradingView, but I miss Thinkorswim's tools. I like the way it worked much better there. You know, I feel like it was just easier. Try this again. No, we're not in the trade. We're waiting on a. We'd have to push up quite a bit more to enter shorts. I mean, this candle here doesn't have much time left. It's low volume. It's what we want to see when we're looking for a short entry. Pushed up on low volume. Trump's talking about Iran right now. Great. I'm just not for sure it's going to make it to our short. Weak. Market's weak right here. I don't know. Two things I'm looking for: Asia low, short entry, or a possible bounce in the demand below. Alexander, I don't blame you. If you've already made a bag, no point trying to trade when Trump is rambling on. But I have not, so I'm going to still try to catch a trade with you all. What's the options like? Is the IV jacked up on the options today? Oh, what does it say? Oh, the IV. Yeah. What day is Nvidia earnings? Pre-market low. Danny, it is a legit setup, but 75 points of risk is quite a bit. Just hope we get up there. If this is the actual trend, that would be quite the Asia low would be quite a big pullback. I agree. I don't know. What's Q? Let me look at QQQ and look on my phone so I don't have to change all these charts. Okay. You want to start a lot shorts here? If I had a little more volume on that previous candle, I'd try some shorts. But King, do I have a code for? Yeah. If you want to use code Grizzly, just go to my website grizzlytrades.com. Tradeify, Take Profit, Apex works on all three. Three of the best in the game. So it's unfortunate. This didn't pull back enough for me. 2 more people use code Grizzly for Tradeify. I appreciate it. It doesn't go unnoticed. Nice, Luke. Good way to come back. Make a bag. It's a good way to come back to trading. I'm not sure what we're gonna do here. We're testing this lower time frame demand here. See if it holds. It could fall through it. I mean, it's gonna have to pick up the volume though if we're gonna continue on down too far, too much further. Get some strong sellers in right here. We could easily see that demand quickly. That's what I want. I want to see that demand. You heading out, Bill? Have a good day, man. Artistic Vision. Good morning. Welcome in. I think Jay done tried longs earlier on ES. Well, I know he didn't. I don't think. I know he tried them. I don't know the outcome. I don't know if he's still in. How'd that go, Harlem? Python, you've been having a lot of luck out of the 1 minute. I mean, I don't mind to look at it occasionally, but I never have. I will not say never, but I don't have much luck trading from the 1 minute. I don't know. Guess it could help as a help guide somewhat, or maybe give you earlier entry, but there would be more false false breakouts and things like that with it. Hope it prints for you, Danny. We could just get a high volume candle here, Danny. I would join you. Keep my stop at the bottom of the confirmation candle. Right here's the current point of control, and here's a previous day point of control. They're both up there. JB, appreciate that, Python. Nice, Danny. Hopefully you get a nice move here. Droid man, I have not taken a trade. Have not. What's telling me longs? I mean, I don't really see anything. Danny's the one that was took longs. He's trading his strategy. I don't see anything uh, personally yet. And you could try this, like we talked about in the Sunday live, this lower time frame. If you just risk, if you fail it, it's invalid. I was. I prefer to kind of watch it more than try it this week. Then maybe next week we'll give it a try. Still studying it. Have I ever been fly fishing? I have not. I mean, I think I've tried it like once or twice, but I haven't actually went. I have wade fish quite a bit. Would like Trump to finish up his speaking right now. I would say the market would move out of this range then and give us a trade. If he's not done yet, I haven't personally been checking, so you all have to keep me updated. I'm looking for Asia low retest, the 885 area. I mean, technically you could get in the 60s. That would be the 50% area, but 925 would have to be our stops. Shazo, you're in some ES shorts right now. Could work out. I don't have a good read here. Just read from the previous candle deltas. Um, we had some stronger positive come in, but before that, the negative delta is pretty strong. So I like the way you took that trade, though, Danny. I can't take it with you yet, but the way we was talking about the lower time frame supply here worked out well. I'm gonna have to journal this. after it, my Grizzology marks all these key levels for me, so it does it automatically. You want Grizzology, you can just go to grizzlytrades.com. Just use code ANQ if you try it. It gives you 50% off the first month. Give the man 100 points. That was the day, Andrea. It's working. This is a low volume candle though, right? I know it's got a couple minutes, but stop out Shazo. Still think he could print for you. I think he's just gonna chop here before it does. I'm not for sure about that one. Oh. Yep, that's it, Beck. That's the only thing I like up there. We gotta decide what we're gonna do. Do we? I don't want to miss the move, but I don't want 75 points worth of risk. So what are we thinking? We're gonna wait on the age of low, everyone. I think that would be the best bet, personally. It would. We would run the risk of missing a, not going short here and missing the move down. We got to talk about it quickly in case we get there, everyone. Where are you thinking we should put our stop?
Signed up for the free live
Uh,
training. No matter where you're at in your trading journey, I know you can get value from it.
All right, Team Bull. Finally getting closer to my reject. Still watching up there. Give it to us. I'm gonna try shorts in the 60s to 880 to 885. Gonna go light and keep my stop above that 925, 926 right there.
You've done 860. I like it.
860s to 885 would be a good entry. Just hopefully it doesn't reject this 15-minute low and I miss it. Just can't risk 75 points.
Yeah, looks good. Whoops.
Don't reject here.
Don't do it. All right, guys, I'll be right back. Gene, if we get to that area, fire off the shorts. Say hi. 860. What did I do pass?
Good morning, Gene.
Good morning.
Give us a trade while you're here. We're listening.
Let me see.
If this rejects and does not go up to the Asia law, I'm going to be disappointed. I've waited on this.
Good morning.
Yep. Guess the fair value gap was it, huh? Just didn't trust it enough to let me rephrase that. I didn't. It was just too much risk.
I mean, keeps been moving. What's up, bro? Uh-oh, it's rejecting early, huh? Yeah. I love this song. One. Oh, this is so
Keep
fire.
pushing. Don't reject yet, man.
What? Can you play it? No. On Guitar Hero, I could. I know, we need to.
Guitar Hero? You got Guitar Hero?
I'm so nice, Guitar Hero. You don't understand.
I don't know. I'm pretty good myself.
Expert only. put these long fingers to work on the guitar.
I love it.
Wow, Grizzly, look at that. So
Right until that fair value gap.
just mogged your entry. Just early entry maxed your
Yeah.
trade.
I think I understand what all that stuff is now.
What?
I think I'm caught up with everything now. I understand it now. The mogging and all that. No, I'm boring everyone. I know. Just can't take a trade unless I see what I want to see there. You got some rain in Florida. The rain's supposed to be here tomorrow, I believe. Have like a week straight. Rain for like a week straight, yeah.
I just posted the giveaway in the
I
announcements tab, everybody.
don't. Oh, my bad.
Sorry, go ahead.
I'm hoping we push up here. I don't want to continue down any further. Kind of making the move I was looking for if it does. Keep going up. How long are you trading for today?
20 more minutes. I'm live in Metallica right now. I'll be here longer.
Some Metallica? Solid.
I love Metallica, bro. My favorite band.
I was listening to Mike Jones at the gym. Morning. That's what I was vibing to. Who?
I just posted the giveaway too, guys. Go heart that. Go heart that in the announcements tab.
Rip up through this 15-minute range. I want a little less risk. Rip up. Patience is either going to pay us today or it's going to make us miss out. One of the two. Which, at least we're not losing money. That would be the route if we didn't stay patient. I agree, Nick. This is a good area for shorts if there wasn't so much risk. Because if it stopped you out, it would be a good sized loss. Appreciate all the likes and stuff, everyone. Thumbs up helps. Yep. Is it safe to put a Asia? No, I mean I wouldn't just set a limit order because one thing that would keep us from taking the shorts at Asia low would be an increase in buying, like a big increase in buying volume. We got to be careful with that. Right now it looks perfect. The way we're slowly climbing up on lower volume, it's looking good for shorts. That's why I'm worried that we're gonna miss our entry because it's gonna sell off beforehand. Excuse me. If we tried shorts, we'd have to keep our stop at. If we did try this, I'm just saying, if we did, we'd have to keep our stops at 867 because just that would be top of the fair value gap. Because, like I said, too much risk. I know I keep repeating that, but I want to get it, so you're not trying to oversize here just because. All right, everyone, we're getting to the 60s. I'm starting my position, but I want my average closer to the 80s. So if we push up to 85, that area, I will add more up towards VWAP. This is shorts. I'm going to keep my stop at like 926, 925 area. We could reject exactly where we are right now. This is the midline fair value gap in the 15-minute range low. I just can't take it. It's 75 points worth of risk. What are you laughing at over there?
I'm just laughing at my phone. I'd be giggling.
We almost got to the 60s there.
It's mogging you. 3 days grace is great too. So skillet. Oh, we need some Nickelback though. Now we're gonna get a banger trade. Living like a blind man. Sense of feeling, and this is how.
Well, technically, Grizzology could confirm the orb retest here. That could be a trade as well for shorts. If the candle looked right. the volume. Pop into the 60s. I will start a light size position. I'm going to add most at Asia low, though, okay? Keep that in mind. If we make the move before getting to Asia low, it'll be a light size trade. I might just take this on my personal. I don't know. No, maybe I will take it on my funded. Let's go light on both. Don't don't flush yet, Danny. I'm not in. You got in? Cursed it. Physiology has confirmed, everyone.
Oh, Gene, I cracked myself up. Blink 182. All right.
All right. Let's see.
I should say a
I
good continuation candle.
Yeah, I'm gonna start a small position of shorts here. Small position of shorts. I'm gonna if quite a bit of risk entering here, so I left room to add, like at 820. See if we get the continuation to the downside here. This is if you touch 820, I'll add a little piece, everyone.
I like shorts right here too on this like 810 to 820.
Yeah, I got like a quarter of my size right now. I'm gonna add the rest in the 820s.
I'm gonna try a small piece of shorts too, everybody. Try to be shorts.
I was hoping this would give us 820 so we could go full size.
I'm just trading micros here. Trading micros here, guys. The spot I like.
Still didn't
Anywhere
get
from like 810 to like 820, so stops above like 858 or 860. Just micros, so I'm not going to get back. Not going to let this day go from green to red. But I will get back some money from earlier.
Come on.
In the shorts. Everybody in the shorts, in the shorts, in the shorts.
He's in the jorts.
I'm in my, I should get my jorts.
The jorts.
I love the jorts.
It's about to go down. Rip straight down the low day, one swift candle.
Come on. I want to see us go down to like 760s.
It's going to be a shame that I
Come
didn't
on.
get full size on this. This is going to be a good one.
Come on. So far, so good. I want to trade micros, but so far, so good. Come on.
Rip straight
There we
down.
go.
Keep going, baby.
I'm putting my stops at above this previous 5-minute candle high. So it's basically a risk-free trade. Tiny bit red, but basically a risk-free trade. Basically a risk-free trade.
We're getting to the 60. I am trimming. You can trim here if you like, everyone. It's up to you all.
My average is 811 on this.
There we go.
Yes, yes, sir.
Feel it on my trim. Stop is that entry.
I'll trim with you too. Why not? Trim with you. There we go.
Nice. I got another 400 on my funded on that. Solid. Still in on my personal though. Completely out on the funded. I'm trying to keep the consistency right. See how we waited on the confirmation candle? That's a legit setup. You have to wait on the confirmation candle.
Yep, I like that. I like that candle right here. That 5-minute close below pre-market low, then retest back up, stops above the highs.
Grizzly confirmed this trade, Jadon. I don't know if you see my chart.
Absolute nuker. Absolute nuker so far. Everybody.
Beautiful.
Oh, that was great.
That is an eval passer. I'm taking one more off here, everyone. Trimmed one more time. Second trim in. I'm going to see if we get low day on the last. I'm keeping my stop at entry.
Come on. Man, I wish I went full size on that.
Me too, man. Me too.
All right, let's run it back for Grizzly Glock and your boy Jay Dunn. If you guys took that trade, type out how much you're up from the first and second trade total. 2 winners on the day. Massive trade from our boy Grizzly, from your boy Jay Dunn, and of course from me earlier as well. Type it out, baby. Let's get some positive energy flowing. Come on, before I give you don't.
That's awesome, Ryan. Ryan said 1 MNQ turned into $120. Don't need to risk much money to make money in this game. Find your risk management and stick with it. Well said, Ryan. Appreciate that, Luke. Just took a little patience there, but we made a bag, right? Everyone should have had a nice bag on this one. We may not have got full size, but still. It doesn't take an NQ long. I don't care how light you are. If you're trading one NQ, once it starts moving. Nice, Robert. I'm up over 3K together on the week. Solid, right? Can't beat that. Best side hustle in the world. I mean, that's total. I mean, it's not just on my personal. Thanks, me. Grizzly confirmed that for us, everyone. If you want my indicator that confirmed this, Charts all these levels. Just go to grizzlytrades.com. There's a full user guide, community inside WAP. Use code NQ to try it for $35 for the first month. It's half off the first month. So you all seen it play out in real time. I'm still in, everyone. It's gonna have to push up a little more to get me. I'm okay. I'm happy with what I made. Thankful with what I made. Thankful for it. I'm glad you all got to make it back with me. I'm still in, still riding. Still in this team, bull. If we break above 800, I will be out.
Still on my micros too.
I'd love to see low day out of this, man. This would turn, even light size, this would turn into a big trade for me.
Me.
I can't believe it was so close to getting my full size on this trade. I'm up over 3K on the week though, Jada, at least.
Here we go.
Have a good rest of your day, Knife. You all cool if we do a little giveaway here before everyone leaves? Tradeify 50K select account giveaway.
Uncertainty.
Are you sure? You all ready? Who am I starting with? TikTok or YouTube? I do owe someone in TikTok one. Where you at? Show yourself. No, there's one person I know for sure. Where you at, barber? I cannot remember your name. I know you're a barber. All right, chat froze. My bad. I didn't think anyone was talking there. Nicole, have I gave you one before? I thought I gave you one recently, right? Nicole, I believe I have. I'm trying to I have a problem where I accidentally give the same person stuff on accident. Laura Rodriguez on YouTube. DM me on Instagram and I will send you a free code. I really wish the guy in TikTok I promised one to was here, but he's not here, still around. David from TikTok. You can have one. You have to DM me on Instagram, okay? You all can find my Instagram. You should already be following it. Trade's over, by the way. Hit my stop and entry. Let's see. GrizzlyTrades.com. November 10. You can have one. November 10. You have to DM me. And pick one from TikTok. Flip, you get one. Flip, you have to DM me, alright? I'm gonna give away one more. How many have I gave away? 4? How many we at? Big, what's that say? Big Mama? Big Mama, you can have one. I like the name. So that's it for today. I gave away 5. Let's give away more tomorrow. You want to? Should we give away 5 more tomorrow? Hey, let me get us some Apex for tomorrow. See if I can reach out to my contact. How's that sound? I still got plenty of Tradify. And remember, if I gave you one, it's the 50K select only. 50K select. That's the only place to go to work. But we had a winning trade. We're green on the week, everyone. We're winning. I'll see you back in the morning. Appreciate you all for showing up, okay? Tag me on your IG stories. I'll repost you if you made some money with me today.